The University of Minnesota announced today its plans for a new hospital on the East Bank. It would include buying back its healthcare facilities from Fairview, which may merge with Sanford Health this year. A move some people are criticizing. Jennifer Hoff is digging deeper into what happens next.
At a news conference Thursday, the University of Minnesota revealed plans to build a medical center, including a new hospital. It would encompass several blocks on the East Bank where there are already 2 apartment buildings, something the school president says, though, is necessary, calling its other hospitals old.
It advances care, wellness, and health in ways that only a hospital associated with a leading research university can provide.
Gable says the U has worked to acquire this land for years. Now it wants to own those other facilities, including its medical center, a teaching hospital that was struggling financially when Fairview bought it some 25 years ago. A move that comes as Fairview may now merge with Sanford Health, based out of Sioux Falls.
This proposed transaction.
Leaders from those health systems attended a community meeting 2 days ago. Concerns coming from nurses, union leaders, and lawmakers, some of whom put a stop to a similar proposed merger in 2013. Even the U raised questions on Tuesday. The head of finance and operations, though, seemingly moving on with today's announcement.
We have no control over that. We're moving forward with our vision, yes.
Without Fairview, the medical center could lose up to $80 million in support every year. The U saying it's not a handout, admitting, though, it does need public support to buy back its buildings, as well as construct that new hospital that would cost at least $1 billion. Despite all the unknowns, the university saying it's just as committed to quality care.
How do we get the best care to people in Minnesota? What system's the best? We're working on that, and that's good.
In a statement, Fairview says that it's offered the U many options to try to continue its partnership, but despite repeated requests, it hasn't been able to meet with President Gable. In the meantime, the Attorney General's office is continuing to look into the proposed merger and says it plans to host 3 more of those community meetings. Jennifer Hoff, KARE 11 News.